Connectors are available to access data in MicroStrategy, delivering trusted analytics for everyone, even Tableau, Qlik, and PowerBI users. Tableau users can use the Web Data Connector to securely access MicroStrategy datasets using standard or LDAP authentication. It's now possible to preview certified data and build trusted dashboards with Tableau without ever leaving the interface. Analysts who rely on Power BI to visualize data can access MicroStrategy reports and in-memory cubes by directly browsing for governed datasets on the MicroStrategy server. Power BI users can now confidently visualize data and build dashboards they can trust. Similarly, QlikSense and QlikView users can leverage a pre-configured connector to access MicroStrategy datasets and build dashboards. No matter what tool you use, MicroStrategy's open architecture allows you to deploy scalable analytics to the entire enterprise. What's more, if you're looking to standardize your analytics on a single platform, MicroStrategy also delivers modern data discovery capabilities that meet the needs of analysts and business users. Regardless of your investments, MicroStrategy delivers a single version of the truth alongside easy-to-use data discovery.